Congratulations on completing the course. Now that you have a solid grasp of iOS mobile app development, you will discover numerous opportunities to further your learning and apply your newly acquired skills. Before moving ahead, let's recap the key concepts you learned throughout this course. Apple's operating system, iOS, supports a range of multi-touch devices and develops apps for Apple hardware. It includes a comprehensive ecosystem, which is a network of interconnected Apple devices and services. Swift, a powerful programming language, is the primary language for iOS development. Its key features include a user-friendly syntax, efficient performance, reliability, and interoperability. Xcode is an integrated development environment, or IDE, developed by Apple. It offers several features to enhance productivity and streamline the development process for its various platforms. To create a new Xcode project, launch Xcode on your system and select Create New Project. Then, select the template and the type of app you want to develop. Next, enter project information and select the location to save your project. The Project Navigator lets you view, manage, and organize your project's files. There are 8 key steps in the iOS mobile app development process. Define the purpose and goals. Conduct market research. Create a detailed project plan. Address technical considerations. Design the user experience, or UX. Develop a minimum viable product, or MVP. Prepare for App Store submission. And finally, plan post-launch activities. The data types in Swift include integers, floating point numbers, strings, and Boolean. There are 2 types of data storage, constants and variables. Swift offers 3 primary types of collections: arrays, sets, and dictionaries. Arrays refer to ordered collections of the same values, whereas sets refer to unordered collections of unique values. Dictionaries refer to collections of key value pairs. Swift UI is Apple's latest framework for developing UI across all devices using a unified set of tools. Swift UI integrates with Swift, supports cross-platform development, and offers an easier learning curve. Then, you learn that it's critical to name constants and variables accurately to improve the readability of the code. You can customize the output by specifying the separator and terminator parameters. The Swift syntax includes comments and semicolons. Swift also has several features that enhance code readability, maintainability, and efficiency in iOS app development: closures, enumerations or enums, and properties. Swift supports error handling using the do, try, and catch statements. You have now reviewed some of the fundamental concepts covered in this course. Remember to go through the glossary at the end of the course to review the key terms discussed and their definitions. You can also share the apps you created in the labs and the final project on GitHub. These projects can serve as examples to showcase your skills to potential employers. We encourage you to enroll in our iOS and Android mobile app developer professional certificate, of which this course is a part if you have not already. Depending on your schedule and the number of courses you take, you can complete this professional certificate in about 2 to 6 months. The more intense courses include Introduction to Software Engineering, Flutter and Dart, developing iOS, Android, and web apps. React Native, developing iOS and Android apps. Intermediate mobile app development. If you wish to continue your mobile app development journey, but prefer shorter courses, you may want to consider the following: Introduction to Mobile App Development. Get started with Android development. You will find the links to these courses in the Congratulations and Next Steps reading at the end of this course. This course included hands-on labs and a final project. By completing the labs, you gained practical exposure to the following topics: setting up the Xcode IDE, exploring the iOS simulator, creating an iOS app user interface, and creating a simple recipe app using Swift and Swift UI. We recommend that you continue implementing the concepts learned in this course in your mobile app development journey. We hope these principles will hone your skills and help you advance in your career. Congratulations on completing this course. We appreciate your participation in this learning journey and wish you the very best.